Good afternoon. In the sixth topic, role of microcontroller in robotics. So in this topic we have to cover the points like pick and place robot, application of robot in arc welding robots, assembly and mega assembly robot, continuous arc welding, spot welding, spray painting, assembly operation, then robots for inspection, robotic vision system, image representation, object recognition, categorization, depth measurement. Also industrial application like coating, cleaning, die casting, molding, material handling, picking, and so on. So the first point is pick and place robot. So what is pick and place robot? So pick and place robot are commonly used in manufacturing environment. So pick and place automation speed up the process of picking up the parts of the atom which are placing them in other location. So automating this process helps to increase the production rate. And pick and place robot handle a repetitive task while freeing up human works to focus on more complex work. So how this pick and place robot work? The typically mounted on a stable stand, pick and place robots are positioned to reach a different areas to perform work, and they use advanced vision system to identify, grasp and move object from one place to another. So with variety of designs options available, pick and place robot can be configured with various end of arm tooling options for use in different applications such as assembly, packaging or bin picking. For example, pick and place robot may be used to pick up items for an order and place them in a box for packaging, or they may be used to pick up parts which are needed for assembly and move them to next location. There are some types of pick and place robot. There are several types like robotic arm, Cartesian, Delta, fast pick, collaborative. Applications of pick and place robots are, these are used in manufacturing but are also used in applications such as packaging, bin picking and inspection. So few applications of pick and place robots are assembly. Assembly means what? These robots are used in assembly application, grab incoming parts from one location such as conveyor and place or affix the part on other piece of the item, and the two joint parts are then transported to the next assembly area. Then the next application of pick and place robot is packaging. These robots are used in packaging process, grab items from an incoming source or designated area and place the item in a packaging container. Then the next is bin picking. So pick and place robots used in bin picking application grab the parts or items from the bins, and these pick and place robots typically have advanced vision system allowing them to distinguish color, shape and size to pick the right item even from bins containing randomly mixed item. These parts or the items are then sent to another location for assembly or packaging. Then the next is inspection. So pick and place robots used for inspection applications are equipped with advanced vision system to pick up the object and detect it and remove the defective part or the item by placing them in a designated location. So these are the applications. There are some benefits of pick and place robots also. These robots help to increase the output dealing with the picking and packaging process in warehouse setting. They also provide a good ROI to manufacturer in both setting. Pick and place robots relieve associates and operate of monotonous repetitive work which boosts productivity while alleviating the physical strain on human worker that commonly result from performing these type of tasks. So how to choose the right pick and place robot? It can execute virtually all material handling operation both cost efficient and effectively. So whether it's parts, assembly, bin picking or packaging applications. Then the next point is application of robot in arc welding. So the welding routes are the most widely used for industrial automation. Arc welding. Nearly half of all the industrial robots are deployed for the robotic welding. So arc welding applications account for 20% of all robotic welding processes. Speed, accuracy and repeatability of industrial robot makes them ideal for automating arc welding process. The manufacturers gain the quality of an expert welder immediately with the implementation of an arc welding robot for a completely optimized welding system. So arc welding applications are typically automated with a 6-axis industrial robot. The robot's main purpose is to position the torch and workpiece while energy is supplied to the articulated robot from the power supply. So multi-purpose robots were typically used to automate arc welding processes. However, in recent years, robotic manufacturers have developed the robot model designed specifically for arc welding. The arc welding robot features a slimmer profile and internalized cabling for more efficient welding. So in general, the arc welding applications involve permanently joining the metals together through the use of electricity, and the electricity creates the electric arc needed to heat and melt the metals. So there are some types of arc welding applications that can be automated with industrial robot like GTOG, GMOFs. That is, the first is gas tungsten arc welding. It is one of the most common robotic arc welding process. It is considered to be precision welding method which is best for detailed welds, and it can be used to weld thin metal. Then the next is gas metal arc welding. It is another popular arc welding process for robot automation. These are often deployed when thin metals need to be joined together. The next is flux core arc welding. It is a versatile welding method. It can weld both ferrous and non-ferrous metal using a tubular wire electrode. Then next is plasma arc welding. It is another precision arc welding process for both thin and thick metal welding. It involves the use of plasma to join the metal together at incredible speed. The next is submerged arc welding. It may be least common robotic arc welding process, but it is best for thick plate welding as well as longer welds. It is relatively new to the welding automation. So these are some of the arc welding methods. Then the next is assembly and mega assembly robots. So assembly robotic means what? When it comes to putting the parts together, the assembly line robots occupy a sweet spot between a human and dedicated or hard automation. So an assembly robot moves faster with greater precision than human, and off the shelf tool can be installed and commissioned quicker than special purpose equipment. So there are some types of assembly line robot, like robotic assembly system come in three configurations: 6 axis, 4 axis, and the modern delta configuration. Assembly automation can be specified with a vision system and force sensing. Vision can guide a robot to pick up a component from conveyor, reducing or even eliminating the need for precise location, and visual surveying lets a robot rotate or translate one piece to make fit with another, and force sensing helps with the part assembly operation like insertion, giving the robot controller feedback about how well the parts are going together or how much the force is being applied. So what is the use of robotic assembly? In main applications for the robotic assembly include the automotive components like pumps, motors, and gearbox. The computer and the consumer electronics are another area. Also, in the medical devices and household appliances, the assembly robots are ideal for the tasks demanding speed and precision, like applying sealants and adhesive. In many industries, the short product life cycles are a way of life, and here the assembly line robotic arm offer a financial advantage over a hard automation. So, assembly robot has the flexibility to handle a variance of product family. Even from the cycle to cycle, if equipped with a vision or other sensors, it can be quickly and inexpensively reconfigured if the product design change. Robotic assembly system lower the cost while boosting quality and capacity. Unlike dedicated automation equipment, the robots are flexible off-the-shelf machine that can be reconfigured or redeployed as needed. Perhaps of greatest importance, the robots are a mature technology, making them a low-risk, high-return investment. So these are the uses of robotic assembly. Thank you.